I know I should be over it by now, but sweet potatoes blow my mind every single time. Come see this impromptu video that I had no intention of filming. The audio is not the best. The quality is just not the best because we just was not planning to film today. But I hope that you enjoy, and as always, I hope that you learn something. Hello everyone, thank you all so much for joining in. This is Along with the Trini Gardener channel, and this is a super impromptu video. Had no intention of filming anything today, but I started a sweet potato harvest. I basically planted, just have a look over here. I planted some sweet potato here for weed suppression really, because sweet potato vines, they grow so well that you can just have them grow up, not even for sweet potato, just they will grow in like an inch of soil. So you don't have space for any sweet potato underneath, but you do have the vines that just kind of suppress the weeds. But there was some dirt over here, so I was just around here with my dog, and the dog was running about and kind of messed up the vines. So I was like, okay, time to pull out these vines. Some were starting to go yellow, and like, come look at the haul we already have. It's kind of gross because rain is falling, so normally I do this when the place is dry, but I haven't even started digging down. This is just pulling the tops off, and already my mind is blown. Like, this is well over 6-7 pounds of sweet potato already. This is the biggest haul of sweet potato I had so far, and I didn't even plan it. It's crazy. I know I have a lot of videos already on sweet potato, but it just continues to blow my mind. I really have to share this with you all. I'm just so excited, so happy. So I think I saw a nice little root over here, so we'll see what is happening. So a good indicator of how this sweet potato was in the ground for I think it's about over 5 months now. So look at how thick this root is. So definitely you're gonna have something over here. It's generally a good indicator. Same thing with carrots or whatever. If the root is thick, then normally there's gonna be something under there. I know I could take a big fork and just dig it up, but I don't want to damage it too much. So we're just working with this. To be honest, I don't even think this is really soil. I think this is old sharp sand from when there was construction work in this house. And yeah, let's look at that. Crazy. And I think I feel something over here as well. Yeah, old small thing. Yeah, I think this is sharp sand, and it's right underneath a zabuka tree. So over the course of years, the leaves would fall, decompose, create compost, and then that would improve the sharp sand, so it becomes like soil. It's a cool way to sort of indirectly have soil in your place. Yeah, I'll come back and dig up afterwards, but wow, crazy. Let's look at this. Oh. Wow, amazing. Okay. Right where we were digging over here, I just followed the roots. Look at this. Just look at this. My goodness. There's a TikTok that goes oh, look at this. Would you look at that? That's really how I feel. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little break. My camera person needs to get a little breather as well, because the place is wet. There's mosquitoes and whatnot in the back here. This had to happen. I couldn't leave this in the wet, these sweet potatoes under like this. It's been 5 months. They're susceptible to get worms in them when there's a lot of moisture, and they are really mature. Alright, so I'll see you all in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna call it there. We're gonna stop looking. I digged up the ground out a bit, but didn't get much anything. So yeah, this is what we got from just pulling the vines off and seeing the head. Right, some massive boys. Again, to be honest, I know sweet potato is not something new on my channel, but it just blows my mind every single time. So happy that you all were able to join me for this one. And remember, if you want to see any of my other sweet potato videos, sweet potato growing guide, sweet potato in bags, sweet potato in a recycled fridge, just click the links coming up on this side here. Remember that you can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and on Facebook. And remember to share this video with anyone who might be interested in growing more healthy, organic, homegrown food for themselves and their family. Remember, as always, this has been Dylan from the Trini Gardener channel reminding you to get up and get green. Take care.